Video 127, SexyCam Part 3, let's get into it. We made a diagram for the numpad to describe which number keys map to which hotel indexes. The number keys are here, the hotel indexes are here. Number key, hotel index, number keys, hotel index. We have some constants to help us understand the relationship between this ASCII diagram and the code. Here is the actual lookup table. The input is the number pad number, and the output is the hotel index 9 value. Here's some error checking to make sure that everything's correct. This is a shorthand reference to the lookup table. Here's where we're going to use that lookup table in the SexyCam pad number function. If the number is between 1 and 9 inclusive, then it maps to a hotel in the DOM. We'll get a shorthand reference to that lookup table. We'll get the index of the level pack that we want to zoom into. And we will make sure that that value is between 0 and 8 inclusive. Otherwise, we have a problem with our lookup table. We will then convert the index to an XY value using some basic tile map math. So modulo by the width to get the X, divide by 3 to get the Y. And we're still not done here, but that's enough for this video. Here's what we did previously, footnotes for the lookup table, and what we did in this video. You can get the source code for this specific video right here. You have been on this playlist. This has been video number 127. Like and subscribe.